Look at that. Redear Sunfish, man. Look at this one. Redear Sunfish. And look at my hand compared to this guy. You see that? Yo, what's going on, guys? Max here, and today I'm out here at Collins Lake doing some kayak fishing. Alright, I'm here with my buddies James and Shine. They're already a little bit out ahead of me. Alright guys, stay tuned. It's gonna be a good one, okay? Alright, let's go. Well, we're arriving to our first spot. I'm gonna fish this whole entire cove area right here. First bait of the day using a green Keitech. Alright, well, let's get to it. Okay, I think this is a good place to stop right here. It's actually pretty shallow right here. I fished this area before, but we're gonna try. And if we catch some bluegills or some Redear Sunfish, we will be taking a few of them home, guys. All right, let's see. Okay, I think that's a good cast right there. Let's switch to a more natural color. See if we get more bites. Okay. There you go, fish on. Is that a little bass or is that a crappie? Ah, bro, it's a little bass. Okay. Shit. Little bass. That's not what we want, guys. Okay, we got one. Oh, it's kind of small though. Yeah, not what we're looking for. We'll let this one go. We want something bigger than this, because they do got some big ones. All right, little one. Let this one go. Oh, something big, guys. I got something big. Come on, come on. Don't tell me he let go. Oh yeah, come on, come on, come on, take it. Oh yeah, come on, take it. Oh yeah, there we go. Fish on. Yeah, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish, guys. There we go. Oh, I can see it. Oh, there we go. It's a nice fish. There we go. Come on. Nice fish, guys. There we go. Okay. Let's tighten up the drag a little bit. It's pulling me to it. There we go. There we go. Nice fish, nice fish. Oh, grab the net. Oh, there we go. All right. Okay, Shine, I'm on the board, Shine. I got one. There we go. Ooh. It's bleeding a little bit. Right there, guys. Nedrig. There we go. All right. And we're gonna let this bad boy go right here. Let this one go right here. There we go. All good. Yeah, keep catching them, but they're all small. We want the big ones. What? How's James doing? Is he catching fish? Okay. Oh, okay, this one's good. This one's good. Finally, we got a nice one. Oh, finally, we got a nice one, bro. We got a nice one. There we go. That's what we're here for. There we go. A nicer one. Look at that. It's okay. These are good though. What? Yeah, I brought my stringer. Boom, that's what I'm talking about. We were planning to keep a couple of the bluegills that we're gonna catch today and the Redear Sunfish. So don't mind if I keep some fish for me. We'll keep it on this side. How many bass did you catch already?
I only got 3.
Big ones?
14 inches.
Oh yeah? Oh, get a bite. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, take it. Oh yeah, there we go. Fish on. There we go. There we go. Fish on, baby. Oh, this is a nice one. This is a nice one. Okay, under the boat, under the boat. Yeah, this is a nice one, guys. Come on, get the net ready. Come on. There we go. There we go. Woo! Fish on. All right. Okay. Right on the top of the mouth right here, on the lips. There we go. Oh, a whole bunch of bluegills right there, right next to me, but those are small. We want bigger ones. All right. See how big this one is. So it's 13 1/4. And then we'll let this one go right here. There we go. All right. I had a fish on the whole time, but it's just a little one. Okay. Come on. What? Let this one go. Switch it up to the Nedrig just to see if we'll get a bite. £6 my ass. Oh yeah. This is a fish on. This is a fish on. Come on. Come on, take it. Oh yeah, there we go. Fish on. There you go. There we go. Alright. I lost count already. How many bass did I catch already? Oh shoot. Jumped out of the net. Alright. Oh, there we go. You just gotta finesse it, I guess. I caught this one on a Nedrig. Oh, another 13. Skinny but's long. All right. Go right there. Yeah, just a little one. All right. came back for like 3 times though. There we go. Alright. Okay, yeah. There you go. There you go. Hell yeah. There we go. Okay, there we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Another one. There we go. It had one chasing it too. So we're going to release this one back so it can go back to its partner. Oh, shoot. So it's like hooked right here, just like that. Is this even a keeper size? Oh, a little short. This one go right there. This is a bit stunned. Okay, right? There you go. Alright, swim off. Let's go. It's too small. Too small. We want the bigger one. Oh yeah, I got fish on. See, Shine? Oh, it's decent. For sure, keeper size. Oh, holy shit! Is it really that big? Oh, dude, it's not even that small. Oh, it's not even that small, Shine. Yeah, this one's big. Look at that. Oh, it's got a big one following it. Look, you see that? There's one following it right now. Oh, the one following it is even bigger than this one. Shit. Why didn't I get that one then? Shit. See, Shine, look, Shine. You see the one following it? Yeah, dude, the one following it is even bigger. Come on. Yeah. It's okay, we're just CNR anyways. Catching for fun. We'll let it go as soon as we hook it and take some pictures. What? I know, dude. I'm trying to get out of the shore right here. Oh, you good, bro. You good. Don't worry. All right. Okay. Let's see. My phone. Start taking pictures. Look at that, guys. Nice one, huh? Oh yeah, definitely. 14 1/4. Every inch counts. There we go. All right, we'll let this one go because it's got a partner waiting for it. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Okay, one for you. Yeah.
Oh, chimichanga, right?
Yeah, chimichanga. Got water right here too. You want water?
I got water.
You got water? My bluegill that I have on the stringer, fish keep coming to look at it. It's kind of funny. I have it 3 times now. The 3rd time was just right here. That's why I keep looking down. I'm trying to see if it'll actually take my bluegill. Oh no, it wrapped itself around my... Okay, there we go. Oh, bro, look at this one. Dude, this one's huge. Oh my god. Look at that. Holy dude. Oh man, I can't wrap my hand around this guy. Look at that. Yo. Dude, okay, so my first 2 compared to this one, bro. Look at that. That thing is huge. Okay, how big is that, man? How big is that? This thing is... Oh, dude. Bro, that shit is 11 incher. Look at that, 11 inches, bro. 11 inches. Take it. Take it. Come on. Take it. Come on. Oh, I did not get it? Wow. Okay, maybe we gotta let him take it a little bit longer, dude. And so what we got here is a mosquito hook. Tiny little hook right there. And then a piece of red worm. It's a whole one, but we cut it off in half. That's all we really need. Alright. And about, what? About 24 inches of lead line. Cast it out there about, I want to say a good 10 yards. Not too far from you. Oh, I'm already getting a hit, guys. I'm already getting a hit. Watch this, watch this. Come on, take it, take it. I'm being a little bit more patient this time because the previous times I didn't let it take it long enough and I lost a fish. I lost 3 of them already, so I'm gonna be a little bit more patient. Okay, there we go. Now we got the fish. There we go. Fish on, fish on. There we go. Oh, this one's a good one too. Yo, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, man. All right, all right. There we go. Look at that. Redear Sunfish, man. Look at this one. Redear Sunfish. And look at my hand compared to this guy. You see that? Look at that. Okay, got it. Never mind. I'm good. All right. Okay. Okay. So same thing again. Gonna cast it right here. Okay. So same thing again. A little piece of red one right there. You see that? About 24 inches of lead line onto a little bobber. We're gonna cast it about 10 yards. Boom. And then you're gonna be patient. Now when they take it, give them a couple of seconds for them to take it, okay? Oh, I'm getting bites already. I'm getting bites already. Okay. But be patient, guys, be patient. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. We got one. Okay, this one's, oh, this one's huge. Okay. Yeah, there we go, guys. Come on. All right. You guys can't see it yet, but trust me, this one's nice. There we go, there we go. Oh. These red ears are huge. Okay, there we go. Watch. It's coming, it's coming. Whoa, guys. They're about the size of a crappie, guys. Look at that. Look at my hand compared to him, dude. Look at that. Look at my hand compared to that fish. Look at that. They're huge. Okay. And just to put it into perspective, Okay, this thing is 10 inches, guys. 10.5 inches right there. Look at that. 10.5 inches. Alright. There we go. So I still got a little piece of red worm left, so I'm gonna cast it out again, and we'll see if we can catch another one. Oh, immediately, I'm getting bites already. Oh, not yet. Okay, see, I'm not being patient enough. Okay, so I gotta be a little bit more patient. Okay, come on. Okay, I might have lost all my bait, so I might have to recast and retie. I might have to retie my bait, okay guys, so hold on. Let's see here. Okay, still got a little bit of bait left, so let's try again. And this time let's be a little bit more patient, okay? Okay. Oh, come on, take it. Come on, you got it. You won't take it, man. Come on, take it. I see you. He's on it. Oh yeah, he's on it. There we go. All right. Okay. Come on. Got a nice, decent one again. Dude, they're all huge over here, guys. They're all huge. All huge, bro. Come on. I'm bringing this one in too. Boom. There we go, guys. Okay. All right. Can't even put my hand around them. Look at that. Oh, guys. Another 10-incher probably. Yes. Another, this one's 10.5 also. 10.5. Redear Sunfish. A little red worm right there. You see that? A little red worm? Just like this. I basically just loop it around a couple times. Like so. You can feed it through the hook if you want. This is just how I like it. All right. And then about 24 inches of lead line, a little red bobber, cast it about 10 yards, just like that. And then we're gonna let it sit and then just be patient. Oh, already I'm getting hits. I'm getting hits already. Okay, come on, come on. Oh, okay, I guess it missed, it missed. Sometimes they nibble and they won't take it. Okay, come on. Okay, there we go. Fish on, baby, fish on. There we go. This one's a nice one as well. Okay, there we go. Ooh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, just like that. Just like that, guys. Just like that. Oh, this one's huge as well. Look at that. Slab. That's what you call a slab, guys. See, you see that, guys? You see my hand compared to this guy, dude? This thing is huge. All right, put that. Just to show you guys, another 10.5 incher, okay? Just like that. Okay. I'm using red ones, but I think if I had wax ones, that would have been a lot easier. There we go. Just like that. And then 24-inch lead line, we're gonna cast it out about 10 yards. Just like that. There we go. And then be patient. Okay. Oh, already I got hit. I got hit already. Okay, guys. No cuts, no editing, right? Okay, come on. Jiggle a little bit. Okay. Oh, I'm getting bites. Oh, how did that not hook? How did that not hook? Oh, I got another bite. Okay, there we go. Okay. There we go. There we go. He came back for it. Okay. There we go. Okay. There we go. Man, it's like one worm equals one fish. There you go. Okay. Shine, how many did you catch? Oh, that's a nice amount right there, bro. Let me see. How many did I catch already? Okay, let me see here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. I got me 8. Just gotta locate the school, guys. You find one, you know where the rest are. Oh, okay, something's taking it again. Come on. You got it. You got it. Take it. Take it. Okay, there we go. Fish on. Fish on. There we go. Ultra light too, guys. Ultra light. Oh, there we go. Another nice one. Yeah, another nice one. There we go. There we go. That's exactly what I'm looking for. There we go, guys. Look at that. Let's recast. You got one? Oh, nice. Cast it right there. James got one right now. Oh, mine's biting. Mine's biting. Come on, take it. I'm letting it bite. Come on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds, 6 seconds. Come on. Oh, there we go. All right. Oh, dude, yours is huge. Dude, is that a 12? That might be a 12-incher, bro. Measure that thing. Oh. Oh, man. Okay. Take a picture of that one. Trophy. Alright, I'm gonna do a little something different now. Tie on a jig. I'm gonna use a jig head because they keep swallowing the hook. Kind of hard to take the hook out when they swallow, so try a different technique. Okay, there you go. Just like that. 24-inch leader. Water's kind of murky now, but I think we can still catch him. There we go. All right. Oh, this one doesn't feel as big. Oh, okay. Starting to get a fight now. Use a mule jig, bro. Use the mule jig head because they're all at the bottom. You know what I mean? Yeah. There we go. There we go. Right on top of the mouth. That's exactly what I wanted. Instead of them swallowing the whole hook. Oh shoot, my worm. It's still good. I'm gonna keep that one for later. Okay. Put this guy on the stringer. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Look at this Redear Sunfish, guys. Boom. Yep, exactly how I wanted it. Right on top of the mouth like that. Instead of swallowing the hook. How big is that one? Okay, where they at? Boom. Okay. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, fish on, baby. There we go. Another Redear. Oh, wait, is that a bass? Oh, bro, it's a bass. I got a bass instead of a Redear, bro. This is a keeper bass too. Are we still doing our tournament, guys? All right, and we got a bass. Okay, such a weird way. It went through the net too. That's the worst part. Let's see right here. There we go. Okay, let's see here. How can we untie this fish? There you go. There. I think this one will still count for a tournament. Let's see here. You lost it? Dude, what is it with these 13.25s? Like every one of them is 13.25. There you go. Alright, we're gonna let this one go. Guys, so there are a lot of Redear Sunfish right here, so we're gonna show you really quick how many there are, okay? How many there are, okay? You guys see that? So many of them, huh? Nice. Okay, so I got a whole stringer in them already. Got about 18 of them. I think that's enough for me. I think that's enough for me for dinner. All right, guys, we're gonna go do some more bass fishing and then probably head home. Okay. Didn't need a net. He jumped into the boat. All right. There we go. All right, we'll let this one go right there. This spot seems very fishy. It has to be a fish here, right? Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. He took it right there, right at the boat too. There we go. Okay. Took it right at the boat, man. Okay. Whew. Alright, unfortunately it's just a little one. But that was really cool though. Alright. Let this one go right there. Pretty sure that's a fish. Yep. Pretty sure that's a fish. Oh yeah, that's a fish. There's a fish already. There we go. Alright. Oh, come on. This way. There we go. Alright. Now let this one go right here. Let's go ahead and paddle all the way back to the boat dock then. Let's go. Show me your fish. Yeah. Boom. There we go. Alright guys, and that's going to be it for today's video. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Let's go.